Hi, I'm Priyani. I'm here to show you how to set up and conduct usability study on the Betafi platform. It really is quite simple. First, you need to add the prototypes that you want to test during the usability study. We are integrated with Figma and Adobe, so you can bring the public link here to test out different prototypes. You can also compare the prototypes with your live website. Once you add the prototype, you can then add scenarios and tasks that you want the participant to perform during the study to help you understand and compare different workflows. Next, you can invite the participant and your observer to join the test study. With Betafi, you can test both mobile as well as desktop-based prototypes. Today, we will do a mobile usability test on Betafi. During the usability study, you can interact with the participant using the video feed. You can add notes, bookmark aha moments to capture key highlights of the call. Now let me show you what is so cool about doing mobile usability test on Betafi. All the prototypes that you had added during the session are available to you. With Betafi's participant app, your participant will be able to access the prototype on their mobile so that they can use it just how they use any other app. So the experience is realistic and the feedback that you gather from your participant is also accurate. Now, all you need to do is share the prototype with the participant and then observe how they perform various tasks on their mobile to understand which workflow or the design direction is working better. You can ask them to do one or multiple tasks and can also share more than one prototype within the same session. With Betafi, you are in control of the entire test experience. So you don't need to worry about sharing the correct link with the participant or asking them to share their screen again and again. Post session, you will have access to the device feed and the video feed of the participant, the transcript, all your notes, and the usability stats. These usability stats we provide you based on the actions that the participant took on the prototype to complete various tasks that you had given to them. You can export all your notes into Miro or download them as CSV to start identifying insights using the tools you love. You can also create shorter video clips to share key highlights of the usability study with your team and stakeholders. We hope you like the experience of doing usability testing on the Betafi platform and you will try us out for your next usability study.